guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So a few days ago, it was Prime Day and I decided to get some clothes because actually, you know, Amazon has been getting some really cute clothes. So I was like, let me just buy like a couple things here and there. So I picked out, I think 4 or 5 items that were discounted for Prime Day, but I was kind of indecisive, which is very normal for me. So I decided to use it as an opportunity to try out Amazon's Prime before you buy. So I'm going to be trying it on, styling it, and seeing what I decide to keep. So if you guys are interested in doing that with me, keep on watching. Okay, so everything came, first of all, and like everything came in 3 different packages. So I believe I got 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shoes. Should be it, but it's possible there's a 5th item that I'm not remembering. But basically, it's just these like little heels. I'll show them to you guys that I've been wanting, and I got them with some cargo pants because I was like, I know for a fact I'll style them with cargo pants. I mean, I'll wear them with other things. Like for me, with shoes, I'll try it with any outfit. But I was gonna get black and white, but they had 2 different sizes, so I was like, I also don't know when they do half sizes, I'd be stressing because I don't know. So I decided to get half size in one color and then whole size another color. And I didn't really have a preference over what color I wanted anyway. I'm just gonna keep whatever ones fit the best. Oh, Amazon gives you a little Prime before you buy card. So that's how it works. 7 days to decide what you love from, I guess, from the date your entire order is delivered. And then it says they automatically bill you after 7 days. If there's anything you want to return or exchange, you can just return it and take it to UPS. That's that. So I think I've only had my stuff for a few days, but by the end of this video, I will go onto the website so I can make sure I don't forget and end up with something I don't actually want to keep. Oh, I lied. I got 3 pairs of shoes. There's a pair of shoes I didn't remember. I knew there was 5 items. I think you can do up to 5 is like the max that you can get. So 2 pairs of the pants and then shoes. So the shoes are all Circus by Sam Edelman. I remember Sam Edelman very well when I worked at Nordstrom like several years ago. So I'm familiar with Sam Edelman's shoes, but I don't think I've ever owned a pair. So I don't know what these are called because the box is covering the name. But so these are the ones. I just got them 1 color, 1 size. So they're these little black platforms. These are so cute. I love that. I love a platform shoe, first of all, but like these are so cute. Then these are called Skeet, and they're like this little like kind of like kitten heel thong sandal type shoe. Really cute. So I got white and a 7.5, and I got the 8 is in black. They also had blue, I think, or brown. But I was like, realistically me, I probably prefer to have black or white. But these are the shoes. How cute are these babies? Like, and obviously because the heel is short, they'd be very comfortable, but I feel like there's so many ways to style these, which is why I was like, I have to try them out. So I also got them, like I said, in black. Okay, so this is the shoes in black. And I mean, I feel like right off the bat, I think I'd say I prefer the white. I think so. I don't know. I have to try them on and see. But also, again, it depends on what size. But then again, like, if I prefer the 8, I can just return both of them and get the 8 when they have it in stock. So that's also always an option. Like, I don't have to force myself. But I think right now I'm already leaning towards the white, but we'll see. But if I keep the other black shoes, then I'm not gonna want 2 pairs of black shoes. I mean, I could, but like, I'd rather mix it up. Well, then maybe in that case, I should get the blue sandals. And this is the problem, and this is why Amazon Try Before You Buy is made for people like me who are presented with too many choices and realize that now they have too many options, like, because you can do too much with it. Like, if you just give me white, then I'm like, okay, that's white. But now if you give me orange, now I'm like, well, look at all the outfits I could do with orange shoe. You know what I mean? Like, it's too much. And then the other thing that I got 2 colors of, and I think I also got 2 sizes of it too, because I didn't know how they were gonna fit, are these like men's cargos that like everybody's been wearing. I love cargos. I especially love men's clothes. When it comes to cargos and like shirts, tees, men's are the best. So these are the cargos. And I got them in this like, I guess this is olivey or they call it light khaki. So I got these in the light khaki color. Actually, if the gray pant fits better, I'd prefer to keep the gray because I don't have a lot of gray. So these are the gray ones. Or it's like a grayish blue kind of. But yeah, I think if I had to choose one, I would choose gray. But the thing is with those kind of cargo pants, with the ones where like you really kind of like the way it fits is just dependent upon the way you tie the straps at the waist. With these, it honestly really doesn't matter what size. So if I wanted to keep both, I could do that. But yeah, so now I'm gonna put some stuff on and see how we like things. Okay, first just a white crop top because it'll go with everything. So the pants, I have to look at the sizes. I'll put the size information. The pants I love. Like living for the pants, love the color, everything about them is iconic, they're awesome. The shoes, so I hope you guys can see. I've got the shoes on, the Sam Edelman ones, and the white is the 7.5, and the black here, this is the black, she's the 8, and I think I'm liking, first of all, I like the white more. Like if I had to pick black or white, if they were the same size, I like white more. They're actually very comfortable. They're really, really cushioned. So they're really comfortable. Like if you look, they're like cushioned. So actually very, very comfortable. And I like the white better anyways. So I'm gonna go for the white. So as far as the pants go, the pants are awesome. Love the color. I'm still gonna try the other ones on right now. And of course I have to try the other shoes. But I definitely think I'm gonna keep these pants. Like I'm obsessed with these. They look so good, and they're really comfortable, and of course they have straps at the ankle and at the waist, so you can like adjust them how you want, because if I like untie these, you can see how big they are. Like this is how much room I have in the pants. So, but the strings are so good that you can tuck that under and tie it to your heart's desire, and that's why these are the best. And I also love the pants have like this orange detailing in the string, which I think is actually really cute. So now let's try the other ones on. All right, tan cargos are on. Again, I like these also. In a way, somehow they feel different, but they're the same. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep both pairs of the cargos. I'm trying to think like if I should really keep this colorway or get a different one, because I do kind of have like cargo pants that are borderline this color. Maybe not quite this color, but I feel like they're so similar in my book that I don't think I would wear both. And I don't want to buy a pair of pants similar to what I already have. So I definitely know for a fact I'm gonna keep the gray, but I think these, for the sake of the fact that they're such a similar color to actually no, 2 pairs of cargo pants that I own, I would say are kind of like in the same region of color. So I think I'm not gonna keep these, although the size is fine. I think the size really doesn't matter, but I think I got a different size than these. These are L32. I think the gray was 34. So they fit a little bit better. Like it still doesn't matter because they're still like huge use of the time. So they have tons of colors in these. So maybe if I decide I want to get like a different color, then I'll come back and get them again. But right now I think I'm just gonna keep the gray. And now the last thing we've got is the Sam Edelman shoes. So I got these in an 8. I generally wear an 8, but sometimes I just can't be sure if I'm an 8 or a 7. They're oh no. I do not like these. They are very tight in the, and I don't have a wide foot either. They're very tight in this area here. Like I feel like someone needs to like come in with a stretching device for your shoes and stretch them out, because they're not doing what I wanted them to do. They look cute on. Like they're very cute, but they're not fitting how I want them to fit, is basically how I'm feeling. Like I don't even know if you guys can see the shoes. But yeah, they're not doing what I want them to do. Like they look how they should look. And this is how I envision a cute platform sandal. But it's a no for me. They just don't fit how I want them to fit. I don't like them. Okay, so these ended up being the final pieces, and I'm actually very happy with it. I don't need a collection of 40,000 cargo pants that look like they're the same color, and I'm good with these shoes because these were what I intended to buy in the first place. So I feel like I'm happy. I guess I still like the cargo pants, but I would prefer to get a different color. The chunky platform heels really just, the vision was right, but the execution was wrong. And then of course the other ones, like I just think these was better fit, and this is the colorway I liked better. So that's that. I will link everything down below in the description box if you guys are interested in checking this stuff out, because it's very, very cute. And yeah, look forward to seeing me in a fit similar to what you guys just saw, if not the same thing, on my Instagram and TikTok very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.